Alright, so we're gonna take a last look at these units before I check out of this hotel. So this will be the last time I'm ever gonna see those. And it's unfortunate that I'll never get these running because I just realized this Allied unit is a heat pump. You can see the reversing valve right there. It's got 4 fan blades on it. It has an LG scroll compressor. Yeah, this is a heat pump. It's probably the second heat pump I've ever seen in Florida, or even my whole life, you know? Yeah, so I just didn't realize it. This is a 15 series from 2019. And then we got this Trane Odyssey, straight cool unit. It's not a heat pump, it's just straight cool. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching.